हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक। आज की वीडियो में बात करेंगे अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कटलरीज व्हिच आर यूज्ड इन एफ&बी सर्विस आउटलेट्स फॉर सेटिंग द गेस्ट कवर. So here we will start with the dinner cutlery. This is called dinner cutlery or AP cutlery, all purpose cutlery or main course cutlery or large knife and fork. इसके अलग-अलग नाम हैं. You don't have to be confused about this. So the dinner knife is about 9 inches and it is serrated edges. So if I press it like this, it will not hurt, but if I move it backward and forward, it will cut. So this is the right way of eating food also, that you hold it with the fork and then move your knife backward and forward so that it cuts the food. The size is 9 inches and 8 inches. 9 inches is the knife and 8 inches is the fork. And then we have this about 7 inches or 7.5 inches, that is the dinner spoon. This spoon we will use only when we have any gravy items or curry items in the menu. तो अगर इंडियन फूड है या फिर थाई फूड है या फिर कोई ऐसा फूड आइटम है जिसके अंदर हमने ग्रेवी आइटम है या करी आइटम है, देन ओनली वी विल प्लेस इट इन द कवर. गेस्ट के सामने हम कवर में इसको लगाएंगे, अदरवाइज वी विल रिमूव दिस फ्रॉम द कवर. After the main course cutlery, we have another important cutlery, that is our starter cutlery. So usually every dinner or every meal item has a starter before the main course. So main course आने से पहले we have some small food items, they are called starters. So for these starter we give the starter cutlery. These starter cutleries are usually smaller. So 8.5 inches and 7.5 inches is the size of this starter fork and starter knife, which is placed outside the main course. Okay, so there might be different style or different pattern of this cutlery in different organization, in different outlets. For example, according to the theme, they might be using engraving or some other pattern on this cutlery, or they might be little bit smaller or bigger than this. Like this cutlery, this one has the golden handle. So there might be different type of cutlery, but the rule of thumb जो change नहीं होगा, that is your main course cutlery dinner knife will be the bigger than your starter knife, and your dinner fork will be the bigger than your starter's fork. So these are few things which you have to observe, otherwise you might find different type of cutleries also. Then we have this soup spoon. The soup spoon is usually a round bowl as against the dinner spoon, which has the pointed head. It has the round head and it is quite deeper. It is quite deep to hold the soup. So this is used for creamy soup. There is another type of soup spoon which is called Chinese soup spoon, and that is made of ceramic. After these cutleries, we have another cutlery which is important for you to know, that is the fish cutlery. Fish cutlery is same size as starter cutlery. जो हमारी starter cutlery है इसी same size की है, but थोड़ा बहुत इसके अंदर change है. For example, in fork, fish fork में there are 2 points over here. यहाँ पे 2 कट लगे हुए हैं to recognize that it is a fish cutlery. Same in the fish knife also there is a cut over here, and it has the pointed tip. So the tip is pointed. For example, like dessert knife, if you say dessert knife has a round tip but it has pointed tip, ये कहा जाता है कि दिस इज फॉर रिमूविंग दी फिश बोन्स. फिश के जो कांटे हैं that is removed by this. But so this is the fish cutlery, another important cutlery. Or this is for recognition also. These cuts are for the recognition also, because we don't want this cutlery to be mixed while washing or while carrying, because fish has quite a strong smell. So we want to identify this cutlery and we want to keep it separate. This. So starter course is done, soup course is done, main course is done. Then we have another important course, that is the dessert course, that is your sweet course. So your cake, pastries or whatever sweet item is included in the menu, you will be given the dessert cutlery. Dessert cutlery जो है वो smaller cutlery है. So the dessert spoon is about 7 inches, and it is this fork is about 7.5 inches, and it is usually placed on top of the cover. We place it like this and it is used for the dessert. Now this fork can be the same in some organization as your starter fork, because we don't want to increase the inventory of the cutlery, that there are n number of cutleries और फिर उनकी inventory को maintain करना मुश्किल होता है, तो we use the same as जो fork हमने starter के लिए use कर रहे हैं वही fork हम dessert के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. Dinner, I'm not saying that in the dinner you will use the same fork. I'm saying the same pattern, same kind of fork you can use for um, dessert also. So this is your dessert cutlery. After this, there is one more important type of cutlery, which is very big spoon and fork. It is about 9 inches long spoon with a big ball and what very wide fork. It is used for serving. This one we don't place it on the table for the guest. This is used by the waiter or server to serve the guest, and together it is called service gear. So service spoon and fork together they are called service gear, and it is used for serving to the guest from the platter to plate. So we will use for the service to the guest. Then after this we have different type of spoons here. Different type of spoon. I will remove this so that it is easy for you to see these spoons. One spoon is very big handle. This is called parfait spoon. It is used for the drinks which are served in the glass. Okay, so mix these items. We need a smaller. We need a long handle, and this is used for this type of drinks like cold coffee, iced tea. Then we have this teaspoon and coffee spoon. Teaspoon is about 5 inches, 5.3 inches, and the coffee spoon is about 4 inches, 4.3, 4.5 inches, and they are used for tea and coffee. So when we are serving the tea, for coffee, especially for espresso type coffee, we use this. After this, we have this ice cream spoon. Ice cream spoon is just flat spoon, and the head is also flat. It is not pointed head. Other than this, we have butter knife or butter spreader. This is called butter spreader for applying butter on the bread. Again, we will see the main type of cutleries. This is the dinner cutlery, which is quite bigger. All-purpose cutlery or AP cutlery. This is the starter cutlery, which is smaller than this, and this is used for the starters. This is the fish cutlery, which is same size as this as your starter cutlery, but it has got small points and cuts to understand that this is the fish cutlery. And then we have the dessert cutlery, which is used for the dessert courses, and they are smaller. Here we can see the different type of spoons. This is the service spoon, which is not usually placed on the table. It is only used for serving. Then we have the dinner spoon, which is used for the placing with the dinner food. And then we have the soup spoon, which is round head. And then we have the parfait spoon, which has the long handle. After that we have the teaspoon, which is used for tea service. And then we have the coffee spoon, which is quite small. And then we have this ice cream spoon, which has the flat ball, and it is used for ice creams.